Okay, here's how I solve the Rubik's Cube. I'm not sure how long it's going to take me to do this video because I'm looking at it through a computer or camera lens while I'm trying to figure it out. So I might mess up, but hopefully it'll make some sense to you. Okay, I got it all scrambled up. First step you want to do is you want to find the yellow side. Every one of these in the middle are stationary. That means that's the side of that color. Like this is going to be the green side. This will be the red. This will be the blue. This will be the orange, the white, and the yellow. We're going to start on the yellow. And we're going to make a daisy pattern. We're going to have white petals on all four sides. We already got one, so we lucked out with that one. Now we got to get these three. There's no real set way to do this, so you just got to flip until you find your white petals. There's one. So I got two. There's another one. I got three. I just got to get this one now. I think it's on the bottom. Nope. There we go, right here. Okay. Step one. Done. You got the white petals with the yellow center. Okay, you're going to turn it on the side so it's facing you. You got the red. You want to match the red with the center red. Once you got that, turn it upside down. Just that front face. Do that with all four sides. White, orange. I got to get the orange. So we're going to spin it to the orange. Turn it upside down. White, blue. Let's put it on the blue. Spin it upside down. Alright, green. Spin it to the green. Turn it upside down. Step 2 done. Should have a white cross. Now we're going to get these four. Now the way this works, you always get pushed away. Like this white, it's going to shove these that way. I'll show you what I mean here in just a second. First we got to find out which one this white one on the bottom goes to. It's red and green. There's the green. So I'm going to back up. There's the red. Got the red on that side, the green on that side. So it's going to go right here. Okay, so we're going to shove all of them that way. Chase them out of the way. This is where we need to be, so we're going to bring it down. I'm going to come back and push it back up to the top. Now it's in the right spot. Red, green, white. Let's find the next one. When they're up here, it's a couple of more different steps. And that's where all three of them are going to be. Okay, so we got orange, green, and white. So let's get it away from the top. Let's just bring it down. So just shove something, bring it down, chase it away, and then bring it back. Should be on the bottom now. Let's bring this one down too. Let's shove it this way. Chase it back. Take it up. Now we got one on the bottom. It's the red and the blue. And it needs to be right here. So let's bring it around. I'm going to put the red on that side and the blue on this one. So we can go here. Let's chase it away. Bring it down. Run back and go to the top. Now that one's in the right spot. Let's bring one of these down. It's a blue and an orange. So it needs to go right here. There's the orange, there's the blue. Blue face on the blue side. So we're going to chase it away, bring it down, bring it back, and stand it back up. Now let's do this one. Orange and green. So that's going to be right here. So let's flip it around. Put it on the orange face. The green's on the bottom. We need to put it up here. So I'm going to take the white. We're going to chase the other colors away. Bring down the side where it needs to be. And return. Stand it up. Now you got all the whites plus the top row. And you should have a little T on each color. So now let's work on these. Your yellow is going to be on the bottom on this step. So anything that has a yellow, don't worry about it. Don't move it. We're looking for the colors that don't have any yellow on it. Like this is orange and blue. Let's do that one first. Line this up with the orange side. You should have a big T. And it's blue. There's the blue side. So this piece is going to go right here. All right? We're always going to go away from the spot where we want to be. So chase it away, bring it down, come back, stand up. Now our white's out of the place. We got to come back over here, and we got to put him back up here. Same way as the last step when you did your white face. Chase it away, bring it down, come back and stand it up. And now that's in position. Your next one, let's do the orange and the green. So let's line up the orange. There's your green side. It's going to go right here. So we're going to go away, bring down the side where you need to be, come back, stand it up. Now we got to replace your white. Chase it away, bring it down, back, stand it up. Got it in position. Here's a blue and a red. Spin him around to the blue. There's your red side, so this one needs to go here. So we're going to go that way. And bring down the side where you need to be. Bring him back. Stand it up. Now we got to put our white back. Chase it away. Bring it down. Come back. Stand it up. It's in position. We got one more. And that's right here. So bring the green, line it up. Got to go here, so we're going to go that way. Bring down the side you need to be on. Come back, stand it up. Now replace your white. Chase it away. Bring down where you need to be. Spin it back. Stand it up. Now you should have row 2 completed. And if you're lucky, they line up here. Then you can skip a few steps. There's 1, 2. Nope. I can't skip no steps. But I will stop the video here and continue on in the next.